This is my 1952 Studebaker Champion, four-door sedan. It has a 169 cubic inch flathead 6, which is the original motor. It has 3-speed overdrive transmission, shifting on the column. It has suicide doors. It's basically a stock car except for the removal of some chrome. And I painted it while I lived in Idaho in my garage up there. It's a driver. It'll drive anywhere. Still has drum brakes. And about 98% of the interior is still original. The bottom of the front seat's been recovered. Headliner and everything else is original. The dash is all original. It's a really nice driving little car. It'll run about 65 miles an hour if you stay in overdrive. And I really like it. It has 57,000 original miles on it. Car's for sale. You'll see it in Havasu City. My name's Ron, and it's 928-387-1270. I just lowered the price. It's $8,500, and that's a reasonably firm price for a car that can be driven cross country today if you need to.